Hallo und herzlich willkommen auf meinem Kanal. Wir sind auf der Intersolar 2026 bei der Firma CONOW auf dem 𝗂𝗧𝗏 Stand. Hi, my name is Marc. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Alan.
Okay. Neben mir ist Alan. Alan ist Produktmanager hier bei 𝗂𝗧𝗏 CONOW. Und wir wollen ein paar Sachen erzählen über den neuen Speicher von CONOW und auch über 𝗂𝗧𝗏 und über sehr viel Vernetzung von Smart-Geräten innerhalb des Hauses. Eine kurze Erklärung. In China gibt es zwei große Brands. Eine ist 𝗂𝗧𝗏, die andere ist Baidu. Und die teilen sich den Markt für Smart Home. Was 𝗂𝗧𝗏 macht, ist Zigbee-Protokoll, aber auch andere Protokolle integrieren und das ganze Haus smart machen mit der sogenannten Smart Life App. Also alles, was wir hier heute erklären, ist in einer App integriert, die heißt Smart Life. Und wir erzählen leider hier heute ein bisschen auf Englisch, das ließ sich leider nicht anders regeln. Ich hoffe, ihr könnt unten einfach den Untertitel einblenden, dann sollte das für euch automatisch übersetzt werden. So, what is this?
Oh, this is the new product line for CONOW this year. This is called 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗪.
Okay.
And we have 𝗖𝗢𝗡 2500 AC or Pro version. The difference is the Pro version has 4 channels of MMPT and PPTs, and AC version is AC coupled only. And what's different about this is actually the aesthetic design.
Okay.
So we are going to the user's house and asking what they really want. Actually, the wives makes the buying decision.
Okay.
Yeah? They don't like a big old machine in their rooms, and we build this with ambient light and white panels, and it's actually customizable to the black ones, to the wooden ones,
Okay.
to make it fit to the interior design.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is quite powerful, 1.5 kilowatts of the inverter, and it has 2 backup ports. It can support 200% backup boost.
Okay.
And it has 2.5 kilowatt hour at the capacity.
Okay.
Yeah. And what's amazing about us is we are bringing this technology called air mesh.
Okay.
Yeah. So no matter where do you install it in your rooms, you just pair with one and they will recognize with each other.
Okay.
And together they will create a mesh
Okay.
network.
On
And
Zigbee?
on Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi? Okay.
Yeah. Because Wi-Fi is the most connected
Okay.
to the user's room, and this will act as one single battery.
Okay.
It will not charge to another.
Okay.
And it will combine with all the batteries, combine with all other lines as well, to do the anti-feeding, to do the charge, discharge, buy or sell. Yeah.
Okay. And how many of these machines can I connect in the mesh?
Well, it's unlimited.
Unlimited?
Yeah. This
So
is power,
hundreds.
This is power from 𝗂𝗧𝗏.
Okay.
But actually, it's 2.5 kilowatt hour. So maybe in the user's house, 10 pieces will be
Okay.
a good balanced number.
Okay. And do I need a smart meter gateway for that?
Well, we support different ways to connect to smart meters.
Okay.
One is cloud to cloud, and then at that time you don't need extra wires, or you just pair with a smart meter in CONOW app or smart Life app.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So there's not only the Smart Life app, there's a CONOW app also.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it supports RS-485.
Okay.
So for some reason, if the user cannot have a stable Wi-Fi network,
Yeah.
he can connect by the wire to the meter.
It's just a normal
Yeah, just
network
like a normal
wire.
Right.
It's RS-485 connected just by a normal network
Yes.
cable. Yeah. Okay. So unlimited is basically the word to say,
Yeah,
right?
it's something unseen.
Okay, yeah, that's right. And is this customizable by the end user, or will it be customized by the reseller?
Actually, this is customizable for the reseller.
Okay.
So we will bring these panels different or customize different patterns for them.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it's not changeable to the user's room.
Okay.
But in the next
Generation.
product line generations, we'll think about that.
Okay, maybe in the next generation you will make it magnetic.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love
So-
magnet too.
Maybe we can show it on the side, though there are different connections. This is RS 𝗜𝗏𝗁𝗏, right?
RS485.
And this one?
And these are actually customized. We customize the PV input sockets. So these are not standard MC4s.
Okay.
We know that there are many. There are many fire hazards happening in
MC4 connections.
Yeah, so MC4 connections seems like a standard ones, but actually no, there are small difference
between different brands and manufacturers.
Yeah, that's right. So we want that fire points far away from the machine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if we buy Lyra Pro, it will come up with a cable to convert MC4s
to your connector.
To my connectors. Yes.
Just to get rid of the heat.
Yes. To make it far away from heat.
Okay.
And each of them can support 2 MPPT.
Okay. So 4 MPPTs in total. The max MPPT power is how much?
Well, it supports 2.4 kilowatt-hour combined. So
combined, okay.
It's 600.
Then here you see the cooling, on-off AC, 2 AC ports.
2 AC power ports.
Yeah, and the grid
into the
connection.
grids.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So that is only the first system you have here on your booth. The second system is right over here, right?
I cannot wait. So that one is designed actually for interiors, and they can do back balconies as well. And this Atlas 6000 AC is what we built to those retrofit houses.
Okay.
Yeah. There are already a lot of like PV rooftop PV systems or larger balcony PV systems, and they are seeking a good AC coupled batteries, and these are made for them.
Okay.
So the Atlas is quite different in quite different shapes.
Okay.
On the market, we can see something lower, shorter, but wider, or something to put on the walls.
Yeah.
And what we learned from users' feedbacks are actually they want a smaller footprint so they can find an empty space to stack up to more capacities. And it's only they can do only DIY by himself, not like the wall-mounted ones. They need technicians or asking for friends' help. This is a plug and play, so the same as Lyra. It has one grid port. You plug in into the wall sockets.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's 3 kV.
Yeah, its inverter is 3 kV, so you can input or output 3 kilowatts continuously.
6 kilowatt hours per unit.
Yes, per unit.
And how many units can I combine?
So it has air mesh supported, so you can have many. But what we are thinking is there are a lot of users who wants to build up by DIY their three-phase system. Yeah. So with this power sync, it can connect to 3 of them and makes a good comparable 18 kilowatt hour and 9 kilowatt input output, quite entry-level residential battery system.
Okay. And this one is without any MPPT, right?
Without MPPT,
right. It's only AC coupled.
Right.
So basically retrofit, or if you have a system with lots of microinverters, you can put that on a microinverter.
Yeah.
Let's say N-phase.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
So each of them have the AC backup port, and it's bi-directional. Okay. So if you have the in-phase system, for example, you can plug it into the bypass port here.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can take in
the microinverter directly into the
the AC ones goes into there.
Okay. And it's also connected with RS485.
Yes, RS485 or the
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it supports Wi-Fi and it supports Ethernet.
Ethernet. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes we are installing this in garage or some places without Wi-Fi.
So for everyone who has weak Wi-Fi at home, Ethernet would be a solution, or RS485.
Because the installation place for Atlas is almost a little bit far to the router.
Okay. And how many of these machines can I connect to the sink?
3 of them.
3 of them.
Yes.
So, but I can have plenty of the sinks.
Yeah. So what PowerSync can do is to combine 3 single phases to the 3-phase. But if we do not care much about the 3-phase to stack up with 9 kilowatt of power, actually this can work like 𝗲𝗲. So you can put
more and more.
Yeah. Okay. And on the app we can set up the maximum limits for each lines.
Okay.
And they will recognize each other. They will orchestrate how much power is needed and do them best of self.
And you can put on several smart meter gateways as well. So several different, right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Will we first talk about the different smart meter gateways you support?
Yeah. So currently we have our own by CONOW.
Yeah.
CONOW smart meter, CONOW the city meters or the direct meters, and we are supporting right now the 𝗁𝗲𝗁𝗏 at home, 𝗁𝗏𝗁𝗏𝗁, and some other third parties we are deeply connecting with.
Okay. Yeah. And everything both on the CONOW app and the 𝗂𝗏 app, right?
Yes.
So
right.
it's the Smart Life.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for new users, they maybe prefer to download CONOW, and for existing users of Smart Life or 𝗂𝗏𝗁𝗏, they can already enjoy them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But you have also a third system for residential, right?
Yeah.
So
why not take a look?
okay. So what is this?
This is in development right now, and we are hoping to bring this by the end of this year, November or December. This is our single-phase residential battery called Nova Air.
Okay.
And what we designed is like a floating island to make it feel different. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just single phase. How much power?
It's 6 kV
Okay.
of the inverter, and it supports MPPTs. It's by 0 MPPTs up to 12 kilowatt MPPT input.
How many MPPTs?
2 MPPT channels.
2 MPPTs channel, and each is 6 kilowatts.
Yes.
Okay. So will you come up with a 3-phase system for Germany also?
Yeah. So the single phase are 6 kV of the inverter and 5 kilowatt hour of the module, and stackable to 6 of them. And we are actually will bring to the next Q1 a 3-phase model for Germany market.
Okay.
And the 3-phase will be 15 kV and 6 kilowatt hour of the module.
And are these mesh integrated also?
Well, yes.
Okay. So I can imagine you can put 3 single-phase systems to a 3-phase system?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, okay. And how many do you can?
Well, it's not limited by our technology, but actually to the
Electrical standards. Yeah. So in Germany, we are always talking about 3-phase systems. But if you have one phase system and connect 2 others together, and it's working automatically only by mesh, that's a great thing. So if you want to have more power, you can just purchase 3 of these machines.
Yeah.
And total 6 batteries, right? 30 kilowatt hours per inverter.
Yes.
Great. And Q1 next year is
for the
estimate for the the single phase will come up when?
This will be in this December.
December. So December to January will be on the market, right?
Yes. Right.
Okay. So over here you have something interesting. It's on Chinese at the moment, but no problem. You have a small display for the wall, right?
Right. So this is actually we're selling this a lot to as a home central panel to control their smart home apps. So once user log into their Smart Life or 𝗂𝗏𝗁𝗏 Smart or CONOW, all these devices will be appeared here. So they can turning this on or off or setting this to charge, discharge. And we are bringing our energy dashboard too. So by default, this is a central controlling panel, and when people are when it gets into the sleep mode, it will display what is the current tariff, what is the next move of your battery system, and how much PV are generated today. Okay,
so let's talk about HMS, EMS. how do you working with EMS, HMS? Everything is integrated in the Smart Life app or in the CONOW app, where Smart Life or 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗧 is behind, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you don't need an extra EMS.
No, actually the EMS are everywhere.
Okay.
So it's quite different from what I'm thinking as like a central brain. Actually, we have the distributed brain. At the back of 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 IoT, everything are talking the same language.
Yeah.
So by default, the chargers can connect to the display, and display talks to the battery without any translations and so on. And what we are building, so in the cloud, we have implemented algorithms, AIs, to orchestrate what is the best strategy of your home. But when that's out, when you don't have cloud access, by the battery itself, it has a certain degree of intelligence.
Okay.
So it can run offline, local.
Okay.
Yeah, and this energy gateway is also a new product of ours. So this will act like edge gateway. Okay. So it has 6 tops of the CPU.
So it's a bridge.
It's a bridge, and also it's a brain.
Okay.
When the cloud is out, and this can still connect to the weather, connect to data from all your devices, and calculate what is the best next move.
Okay.
Yeah. So this will act like a brain for the local devices.
Okay. And when will the gateway come up to the market?
Will be also in this September. December.
Okay. So beside chargers, you also connected to shadow lights, to everything in smart home, like KNX.
We are maybe the biggest.
So we'll show over here where are you connected to.
Yeah.
So on this picture, I got it as you speak before. So all these Matter, Modbus, Home Assistant, SG Ready, OCPP, 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗏 is working together with 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 and with your energy gateway, right?
Yeah. So this gateway is heading up to a unified ecosystem.
Yeah.
So what we are having right now is in this 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 ecosystem, everything talks together and works together.
Yeah.
And we want to broaden that line, and we want everything to talk with each other. So with this gateway, there are lots of wireless and wired protocols supported in, and we will build more and more to support those third parties or non-smart devices.
So at the moment you support Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth
Mesh, yes.
Mesh, Matter, and maybe LoRa in future?
Yeah, LoRa will be in the future generations, not this one. And there are a lot of wired protocols too.
Oh, wired also, right. So speaking of wired protocols, over here is just a small amount of the gateways you are connected to. It's not everything, but it's just a picture how many already are connected.
Yeah, 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 is maybe the biggest ecosystem in this world.
Yeah.
So we support thousands of different product types, and many of them are already in users' homes.
Yeah, and here you can see like a thermostat. This is 𝗁𝗏𝗁𝗍𝗏 display?
Actually, this is the same display but different size.
Oh, okay.
You can also do the central controlling panel.
So hydro thermometer presents P1 meter for European standards.
Yes.
Right. Your own IR meter.
IR meters.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. And also you have some intelligence in the distribution board.
Yes, like the breakers or city meters or city smaller modules.
And also upcoming are home appliances and heat pumps and so on. Yeah,
so like I said, there are lots of brands in our ecosystem are already using 𝗂𝗏𝗄𝗏 IoT cloud. So they are already speaking the same language, and it's very easy for us, for the home HMS and EMS to control it. And with the controlling, we can save more energy of the user. And these are some of the numbers we run in all users' rooms.
I'm missing Bosch here. Are you connected with Bosch also?
Yeah, Bosch will be connected actually through the gateway
Okay.
and will be supported
So
later.
for all the German users who have Bosch dishwashers, washing machines, all that is connected right now.
Yeah, we're hoping to connect everything you have.
Okay. And for the professionals, over there is something else. For the professionals, you're also connected with 𝗁𝗏𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗃 home smart systems.
Yeah, so 𝗂𝗏𝗏 not only have experiences on the end user's room, but also on commercial industrial projects.
Okay.
So before we enter into the energy market as CONOW, we have accumulated a lot of project experiences on the CNI projects. We have already those gateways to support KNX or DALI or all those professional protocols. And now we are connecting to the larger size, larger scales of PV systems and battery systems. So together we have a smart building system with our EMS, and this will create a better and unified system to control everything that this project has.
So 𝗂𝗏𝗏 is the translator for all the different languages, right?
Yeah, it will be the unified layer to make sure
Okay.
everybody speaks in the same language.
Okay. So I think for now that was a lot of topic on your booth. I'm
you for
very
your
impressed so
questions.
far. I think in the future we will hear more and more about 𝗂𝗏𝗏 in Germany and Europe and CONOW as well.
I will. Thank you very much
Is
for it.
there anything else to? Is there anything else we have to mention in this video?
Well, I hope that your audience can start to looking at 𝗂𝗏𝗏 and looking at CONOW. And we are a growing company that growing fast. So each week, each month, we are bringing new iterations, new features, new products. So let's keep you watching, and I hope that you and your customer, your audience, will have a better and better experience on EMS and home EMS.
So thank you for having me.
And thank you
Ja,
for
bye.
your questions.
Und
Bye.
wir sehen uns wieder beim nächsten Mal, wenn es wieder heißt Marc testet. Bis dahin macht's gut. Ich hoffe, euch hat das Video gefallen. Schreibt unten in die Kommentare rein, ob ihr schon 𝗂𝗏𝗏-Sachen habt, Smart Life App nutzt, ob ihr von CONOW schon mal gehört habt und was euch sonst noch zu dem Video einfällt. Bis dann, macht's gut. Tschüssi.